Today, unboxing a hot product. Shinli Machinery YT29A air leg rock drills. Open really full. Double layer packaging. The first layer is the spare parts layer. Look at. This is the manual, packing list, certificate of conformity. Packaging for valves, rifle nut, ratchet pawl, and pawl spring. Size hose clamp, complete set of sealing rings. Oil plug, spring cover, valve plug, card ring, pipe connection sleeve. Double packaging. The lower side has oiler, water needle, air needle. And today's protagonist YT29A air leg rock drills. Welcome back. This is the accessory package for easy maintenance use. International common spare parts can be sold separately. Shinli Machinery Factory Advanced Processing. Pure hand installation with high precision. High density machine using forging process. Back head, cylinder. Front head made of 20 chromium manganese molybdenum. High hardness without deformation. The piston is responsible for the rotational impact. Using 35 chromium molybdenum vanadium with tempering. High abrasion resistance and hardness. Valve group responsible for gas conversion 20 manganese molybdenum. The screw rod and ratchet work together to turn the piston. Excellent machine performance. Test object granite. Connect the water pipe so that the water injection valve body and the water needle fit. Sending water to the working face through the drill pipe. Acts as a cooling machine and dust reduction. Using a 7-tooth 40 mm drill with 0.5 MPa air pressure. The drilling depth is 1.2 meters and the timing time is 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Shinli products with excellent performance and quality is your good helper.